Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I welcome you all to another set of videos which is related to Saturn transit. So there are two versions as per the Saturn transit is concerned. There are two Panchangam. One as per Trikanita Panchangam, the Saturn transit is already completed on 24th of January 2020, and as per the Vakya Panchanga, the Saturn transit is going to take place on 26th of December 2020, which is on a Saturday, auspicious day. In this video, we will be seeing each and every zodiac sign, the impact of the Saturn transit. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, keep this subscribed so that you will receive my instant updates. Also, if you like this video, give a like and share with your friends and group. Generally, Saturn transit takes place once in every 2.5 years. In some cases, it may take even 3 years. For the present scenario, it already took 3 years time to get the transition. So this time, in the year 2020, Saturn is moving from Sagittarius to Capricorn to be his own house, and it is going to be a ruler there. You can see, as per the Trikanita Panchanga, planetary positions during the 24th of January 2020 is being shown here. As per the Trikanita Panchanga, where the Saturn transit already took place on 24th of January 2020, during that time, we could see the Saturn being a ruler there in Capricorn. Along with Saturn, you could see Sun, the Mercury and Moon are together. And in Sagittarius, you could see the Jupiter is being a ruler there, along with Ketu. On Scorpio, you could see the Mars being a ruler there. On Aquarius, you could see the Venus, and at Gemini, you could see the Rahu being seated there. So this is the planetary position as per the Trikanita Panchanga during the 24th of January 2020, when actually the Saturn transit took place. Now we will see on the coming December 26, 2020, as per the Vakya Panchanga. This is as per the temples. See, in most of the South Indian temples, they follow the Vakya Panchanga, and they will do all the archanas and abhishekas on this particular day, which is considered to be the most auspicious, and we could see the planetary position on that particular day. On 26th of December 2020, you could see the planetary position where in Aries, the Moon and Mars are together, where the Mars is a ruler there, and in the second house in Taurus, Rahu being there. Scorpio, you could see Ketu is there seated along with Venus, and in Sagittarius you have the Sun and the Mercury, and in Capricorn you could see the Saturn being ruler there, along with Saturn. Jupiter is also being seated there. So this is the position of the planets during that particular period. So in the upcoming the Saturn's transit, as per the Vakya Panchanga, you could see the all planets are within the Rahu Ketu's limits. So we call this as a Kala Sarpa Dosha. This particular Saturn transit is going to take place on a particular day where the entire planetary positions are within the Rahu Ketu's control. So it may be even some dangerous positions also, where there are some good things as well as some bad things happen, because all the powers are being absorbed by the Rahu Ketu when the complete planets are on particular one side. So generally we call this as a Kala Sarpa Dosha. So this is the time when the Saturn actually is moving from Sagittarius to Capricorn. This particular Saturn transit, two zodiac signs feel better. One particular zodiac sign being Scorpio, where the 7.5 Saturn period is getting over once the Saturn moves away from Sagittarius to Capricorn. The other zodiac sign being Taurus, where Saturn being in the 8th house so far is moving to the 9th house. So this seems to be a better place for the Taurus. But unfortunately for Gemini, this Saturn transit is not so favorable, as Saturn comes and sits on the 8th house. But generally for Gemini, Saturn is always a ruler at the 8th house, and it also occupies the 9th house. Somewhat Sagittarius zodiac sign, they feel happy because they are coming to the last fag end of the 7.5 period of Saturn. So they are coming to the last 2.5 years, where the Saturn will not give much bad effects because it had already given much bad influence on the first 5 years. So this seems to be a better period for Sagittarius. For Capricorn as well as Aquarius, they are falling under the 7.5 period of Saturn. Fortunately for these two zodiac signs, Saturn being the ruler and it occupies its own house, it will not give much harm or much bad effect when compared to other zodiac signs. So comparatively it is better for them, like a school teacher giving punishment to others rather than not giving much punishment to their own children. So this is the concept where the Saturn will not give much of trouble to the own zodiac sign. Now we will see for each and every zodiac sign, right from Aries to Pisces, what are the benefits out of this Saturn's transit. Pisces, the 12th and the last zodiac sign. For Pisces, the Saturn moves away from 10th house to the 11th house and becomes a ruler there. So it is very good time for the zodiac sign Pisces. Many may get very good chances, very good job opportunities out of which they can earn a very good amount. Those who are expecting an increment for a very long time, there are chances that during this particular Saturn transit, they will get good promotions and good increments. Those who are looking for short-time projects to outside countries, there are chances they will get many good opportunities, out of which they can earn a lot. So this Saturn transit seems to be in a very good place and a positive place. Some may spend a lot for their luxury life, and for spending they will definitely earn a good income out of this particular Saturn transit. Saturn aspecting the zodiac sign itself is not too good because some may get some health issues, but at the same time there are chances for some people their confidence level will get increased. Saturn aspecting the 5th house, the children might not study well, they may be find very lazy in their studies and they will not show much interest. But luckily for this zodiac sign, Jupiter moves to the Capricorn from Sagittarius and starts aspecting the 7th, that is the 5th house. So it will become very positive for them because whatever the places the Saturn is aspecting now, the Jupiter will compensate it. So the children will study after the Jupiter transit properly and things will change in a positive way. Saturn aspecting the 8th house it turns out to be a positive way for Pisces because the long expected money will come back to them in time. So those who have lended money to the different people, their chances they will get back in time. Those who are wanting for money, they go and borrow something from other people, there are chances they will get it immediately. If they apply for loan, there are chances they will get immediately. So for business it is a very good time. They can improve their business, they can expand the business. So out of business they can earn a very good amount. So they can increase their branches, they can increase the projects, they can even expand to the outside countries. So business seems to be very positive for this particular zodiac sign Pisces. Also for those who are looking for marriage for a very long time, there are chances they will get a good alliance and get settled in their life. So those who are expecting kids for a very long time, there are chances after the Jupiter transit they will get a very good kid during next year. Also the movement of Rahu Ketu seems to be better because Rahu moves to the 3rd house, seems to be very positive, and Rahu will start giving them very positive results. But comparatively Ketu is not so good. But again, the 9th house they should take care of their parents, especially the father's health, and they may get into problems with the father's side people. So they should be very careful in dealing with them. Job opportunities, chances they will get very good job placement. Some may get foreign opportunities and they go out for short time projects. Some may get placed outside their nativity. So there are very good things might happen out of which they can earn a lot. Those who are studying is a good time for them. For students, it is very good time for them to study and they can prosper well in their life. Considering all the planetary movements like Rahu, Ketu, Jupiter as well as the Saturn, after the Saturn transit, we can say this Pisces will get a very good positivity. They can expect up to 90 to 95% positive results.